from rest. Seventh one. The car it is accelerating from rest. This car is accelerating from rest. Means starting from rest. Acceleration is what is it? Given alpha. Sometime after it declares what is it? With accelerate declares with beta. First acceleration is given alpha and declaration it is given beta. Means negative acceleration, right? Then next half time, this is first half time, this is t1. Next half time it is declarating. Then here find the maximum velocity acquired by the car during this total time interval. Okay, find the maximum velocity attained when we are drawing the graph. This is what is it? X-axis, y-axis, here velocity, next time. So up to here first it is accelerate, means velocity increase, right, up to time t1 time. Then after it is what is it? Declarates. Declarates means velocity gradually decrease. So here time interval is what is it? t2. Then maximum velocity attained is maximum velocity attained by the particle, like maximum velocity acquired by the car. What is the maximum velocity? Then expression, what is that here? Velocity v is equal to u plus at relation. Then maximum velocity v is equal to what is that here? u0 starting from rest conditions. Okay, u0, a is equal to alpha, time interval t is equal to t1, that is alpha into t1. Therefore t1 is equal to v maximum by alpha. Next, this is first case. Second, okay, first and second situation. Up to here, first, this is second. Then v is equal to u plus at. Next one, that is u0 starting from rest, right? Then it is declarated a is equal to beta and t is equal to t2. V maximum, that is equal to 0 plus beta into t2, where t2 is equal to maximum divided by beta. Then total time elapsed, okay, during this process is what is it? T is equal to t1 plus t2, right? T is equal to t1, that is v maximum by alpha plus v maximum by beta. Okay, so therefore t is equal to v max divided by what is that? Take common 1 plus alpha, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Then LCM, maximum velocity of this beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta. Okay, maximum velocity we can find. Therefore t into alpha beta divided by alpha plus beta. This is maximum velocity attained by the body. Then next, in this question here, what is the displacement? Displacement is equal to velocity, what is it? Ut plus half into at square, right? U is equal to 0. Therefore such displacement is equal to half into a is acceleration, and next t square. Otherwise we can find what is it? Area under the graph, right? Base into height. So we will get directly displacement is equal to area under graph. We will get directly, that is half into base into height. right? So half into base is nothing but time, height is nothing but what is that, maximum velocity, right? So therefore half into base, and that means t into maximum velocity is t alpha beta divided by alpha plus beta. Therefore 1 by 2 alpha beta t square divided by alpha plus beta. This is total displacement coupled. This is additional question. Next. So two cars starts in race with velocities. So this is first car, next second car, okay. Then so start in race with velocities. First one is u1, second velocity is u2, and traveling in a straight line with accelerations. What is that? A, next b. Acceleration values are also mentioned. Then if both of them is finishing the line at the same time, both of them is finishing the line same, then the range of the car is equal to, right? So here the range of this car value we can find. Both of them is covering same distance. First distance is equal to what is that? This is first car. This is car 1. Car 1. Then car 2. Right? Then car 1 is equal to ut plus half a t square. Therefore, s is nothing but displacement here. U, initial speed u1, time, same time, both of them is covering half a t square. Next, second, car 2, right? Then here s is equal to ut plus half a t square. Therefore, s is same, covering displacement u2t plus half into b t square. Here acceleration is a, here acceleration is b. Acceleration values, right? Here u1 is equal to u, u2 is equal to u, u is equal to u2, right? These are conditions. Equation 1 and equation 2 equate them. So therefore 1 is equal to 2. Why? Because both of them is covering same distance. Same distance. Therefore what is it? Here u1t plus half a t square is equal to u2t plus half b t square, right? Then u1 minus u2 into t, take into left side, this value take into left, this value take into right. So therefore half into b minus of result a into t square, t get cancel. Then t is equal to u1 minus of u2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into b minus of a into t. Then t is equal to 2 into u1 minus of u2 divided by b minus of a. This is time taken covering this. What is the two cars reaching the same destination but asking question. So what is the range of this? What is that? Race. Range means distance. Therefore s is equal to u1. You can consider any one equation. This is equation 3. Equation 3 sub in equation 1. Therefore u1t plus half into a into t square, right? So this value you can substitute in the, then we will get range u1, right, as this t. T is nothing but 2 into u1 minus u2 divided by b minus of a plus half a into what is that? T square. T square nothing but 2 into u1 minus u2 by b minus of a. What is that? Whole square. Right. Then simplify it. Then you will get final result. So what you are getting? u1 minus of u2, otherwise t take common and you can simplify, you will get directly. So short method, it is t take common u1 plus half into a into t. T will be take common outside, the t value directly substitute 2 into u1 minus u2 divided by b minus of a of u1 plus half into a into t to u1 minus u2 by b minus of a. Here 2 get cancelled. Then s is equal to 2 into u1 minus of u2 divided by b minus of a into take LCM u1 into b minus of a plus a into u1 minus of u2, okay, by b minus of a. Therefore 2 into u1 minus of u2 divided by b minus of a of u1b minus u1a plus u1a minus u2a divided by b minus of a. So here plus u1a and minus u1a get cancelled. Then final expression. Therefore S is equal to 2 into u1 minus u2 divided by b minus a into b minus a whole square, remaining u1b minus u2a. A is equal to here alpha, b is equal what is that? D is equal beta. Why? Because in given problem expressed as alpha and beta. Therefore 2 into u1 minus u2 divided by beta minus of alpha whole square into u1 into beta minus u2 into alpha. This is final expression.